So with these kinds of problems, I like to just rule out things. So one of the rules is that the coefficient of the product has to be 1 when you're doing a formation reaction. So it can't be this one because that coefficient isn't 1, and it can't be that one because the coefficient isn't 1. Now what I need to do is look on the left-hand side, and I need to make sure that every one of those things on the left-hand side is like in its, quote, standard state, like how you would find the element like for real. So if I look at this one right here, sodium is for sure a solid. Most of the periodic chart is a solid. There's only 2 liquids, bromine and mercury. And then you all probably know the gases, the noble gases, hydrogen, and then the little everything that's like NOF and then Cl. Those are the gases. So that one is correct on the reactant phases. I'm scrolling down. The next one's correct in the reactant phases. This one is incorrect on the reactant phases because Na should be a solid. And then I'm looking here. So again, it's supposed to be the elements, not the ions. So that one's incorrect. And then here, this one is also incorrect on the phases. So just based on that, I was able to rule it down to being this answer as the correct answer. Other things you need to make sure is that you actually truly have a balanced reaction. So like, I know we already ruled this one out, but I just want to point out that it has, oh, no, wait, that chlorine is okay. Let me go back up. There's one in here I saw was weird. Oh, here. This one. Because you can see there's 2 chlorines on the left of that one, but there's only 1 chlorine on the right. So like that's also a problem with that one. If something was supposed to be diatomic, like also that chlorine, it should have been written as being diatomic and it wasn't. Also, you're only supposed to have 1 product. So another problem with this one is that it's got 2 products. So the main rules are that you're supposed to make 1 product. It's supposed to be balanced. And that everything in it, like reactants and all the reactants should be elements, and not only elements, but like in their standard phase. And that's how we find them in nature, is that standard phase.